Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Highland County, northwestern Scioto County, western Pike County, northern Adams County, until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Belfast, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of northern Adams, northwestern Scioto, southeastern Highland and western Pike counties, including Serpent Mound, Sinking Spring, Locust Grove, Smoky Corners, Cynthiana, Poplar Grove, Kincaid Springs, Idaho, and Pike Lake. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the